Hey, welcome you all. Hope people are doing good. Do you curious to know about Happier reviews? Either it is legit or scam websites. As people from United States are very curious to know about Happier, so let's check out the details as we are going to give one-based review on this portal. This is actually an online shopping store that seems to deal with various products like electronics, sports, housewares, and tools. And their prices seems quite reasonable, but still you may check the details about its legitimacy. So let's check out the specification of this portal. It was registered on 8 July 2021. It is HTTP secured website. The products available on the sites are of multiple category like electronics, sports, recreation, tools, and housewares. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name, and it is a positive sign. The physical address which they have mentioned on their official portal seems obvious. Moreover, the website has not provided their contact details. The positive point of this portal are like it is holding a HTTPS protocol and SSL certificate that makes it secure to access. Their email address is matching the domain name. The negative sign of this portal are website is very new. The website has failed to provide its proper contact details. The site holds a below average trust score, absence of customer reviews, and no active social media account. So the question is Happier legit? Like checking out the authenticity of the site is very important before making any online shopping. So let's check out the certain parameters to decide about its legitimacy. It is created just 1 month ago, a totally new and young website. The website holds only a 1% trust score that makes it extremely doubtful. The website rank is not available for Alexa ranking, and they do not have active social media account. So by checking out all these points which we have discussed, so we can say that it might be a risk to shop from this site. The website does not have a single customer review, neither do they have a social media presence, and all the legitimacy factor indicates that this website deals with sports, household goods. That can be a scam website, and the website does not have any genuine contact details. So as a viewer, we are not recommending you at all to buy from happier.com. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding your experience.